Honda fans, I'm Sierra.
And I'm Izzy.
Today we're going to show you the new redesigned 2023 CR-V EXL.
Let's hop in. Sixth generation of the Honda CR-V. They get a redesign about every 5 years. On this model, you do get a combined 29 miles per gallon. If you want to come in this way, the EX and EXL models do get standard 18-inch alloy wheels, but this one, as you see, does have the HPD pack on it with the gold bronze wheels. On the redesign, you do have all LED lights, including headlights, turn signal indicators, and taillights. With the new body style, you do have a bit more of an aggressive back end. You also have power tailgate on the EXL model with extra cargo space. For the EXL model, you do have standard parking sensors. Moving along to the back seat, with the new design, you do have an 8-position reclining back seat. All you have to do to readjust is grab this little handle lever here, hold and move, and it has all these different spots. There's also a new redesign on every single door panel, including speakers here and this rough design piece. On Honda's new steering wheel for higher trim models, if you have a heated steering wheel, it is now going to be here instead of on your dashboard. Moving over to your gauge cluster that is now mostly digital, if you have your steering wheel buttons here, most of your controls are going to be up there, flipping through with the cursor. With all other new improvements, you do have wireless CarPlay in every CR-V model. If you're interested, come out to Germain Honda and secure yours today.